Hi, just a very quick video to show you the new zooming and padding that I've just added to Schema Explorer that hopefully will make it a lot easier to work with the database. It'll also refit these diagrams now, which wasn't doing very well before, so it should work a bit better for a much larger schema. So if you click on the background, you can now drag around and you can actually grab a table and move it if it's not quite as clear as you might like it to be. It doesn't remember any of this, but it's good enough for quick exploration. You can also use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out, and same goes for pinch zoom if you're on a touch screen. And if you want to see a bit more vertically because it's short, there's now a resize of the container. Please hit like if you like this, subscribe, and get in touch if you are using it. If you're not using it, I want to know. I'm trying to work out what really works for people, so your feedback would be greatly appreciated. Drop me a line, tim@timwise.co.uk, or drop a comment below. Thanks very much.